Is the team prepared ahead of the second leg tomorrow in Nigeria, Biokuta?
Tomorrow is the second leg. We are prepared. You people have arrived safely here. Tomorrow is the day. We are waiting for your boys to come out, to come and face us tomorrow. Okay. We are waiting for them.
Okay. But upon what we saw in Ghana, losing 4-3 to Kotoko, they are pedigree in Africa. Do you think your boys are capable of overturning the deficit and then qualifying to the next stage of the competition?
Yes. Yeah, you have a very good team, just like our team. But tomorrow is going to be our own day too.
Okay, so one thing we also know about our team here from Ghana is that they score more goals, but you were able to also score here in Ghana. How is the game going to be tomorrow? Is it going to be goals flowing like it did in Ghana, or you are going to beat them and beat them well?
Nigeria is quite different from Ghana. Your people, your team has a very good day in that last week, but this week today is going to be our own day too. We are going to be a full scoring side tomorrow. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Well, but do you know that there's no Nigerian team has eliminated Asante Kotoko from any of the CAF interclub competitions? Are you aware of that?
Yes, but that's the history. Every history can be changed at any time, and this is what we are going to change this year. Okay, everything will change this year. Okay. Ghana people are there. Nigerian time now. Okay. Yes, we want to rewrite that history. Okay, we want to rewrite it so that Kwara United will be the first team to eliminate Asante Kotoko.
Okay. It seems you have grown in so much confidence ahead of this game. What's the secret?
No, we believe in ourselves. We believe in ourselves. That's the secret. There's no secret. The two of us will play the ball, but I believe our team is the better side. Then we carry the day tomorrow by the special grace.
Okay. So what are some of the key players you notice in the Kotoko team you are going to work against them tomorrow?
Well, everybody in that team is very good. We cannot say this is a special like our own team too. Okay. So we don't plan our game against on one person or the other. Okay. We place something on the whole team. So everybody tried. Okay. But it's going to be our own day tomorrow.
Okay. What many have said, Kotoko's weakest link is their goalkeeping department. Have you noticed that too?
Yes, but they know. I said there's no team. There's no complete team. You must have one or two weaknesses. Even if you say they are goalkeeper, the guy really saved them in that. Look at the 1-2 of the goals. It is from his own service. Okay. Do you understand? So he has his own quality as well. Okay. Do you understand? I don't believe it's a weak point. Okay, they have a very good.
All right, Mr. Tunde, it seems you have also made some good additions to your team. What is the rationale behind sacking about 13 players last season, maintaining only 4, and then adding up 14, and then adding up? What is the rationale behind? Because upon research, it means you sack 13 players, leaving out 14, and then adding up as well.
Not that we left them. There are a lot of there are about 1, 2, 3, 4 that are left for long training. Okay, and there are 1, 2, 3 that their contract has expired, but they couldn't renew it. So you understand? And automatically we have to do for another player. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So it's not deliberate. It is just one of those things. Okay. As a team, some will play, some will go, and some will come.
Okay, Mr. Tunde, we'll leave you here. We wish you all the best of luck. But we pray that our team will come out victorious tomorrow.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate.
Okay,
God
thank
bless
you.
you people. Thank you. Let me greet everybody.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Tunde Sanni, head coach, Kwara United. Khadija.
Yeah.
Tunde, I'm saying Kofono, I'm about to so many confidence be.